Hi and welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about expanding brackets. So let's have a go at this. So the first question, I want you to expand this. So whenever you've got a number outside brackets, you multiply everything in the bracket by the number outside. I like to use arrows. So you're going to do that times that first, which is just 2x, and that times that next, which 2 times 4 is positive 8. And that's as far as we could go. These aren't like terms, so we can't collect them. So my answer is just 2x plus 8. Okay, let's try this one. 3 brackets x plus 2. Let's draw in my arrows. So you're going to do 3 times x first, which is 3x. And then 3 times 2, which is 6. So it's just 3x plus 6. Perfect. Okay, let's go a bit harder. We've got neg 3x outside the brackets this time, and in brackets we've got x take y. So we're going to do that times that, and be careful of the negative sign. So neg 3x times x is negative 3x squared. Okay, because you're multiplying the x by the x. And then be careful over here, because now you've got double negative. So you've got neg 3x multiplied by neg y. So neg 3 multiplied by negative 1 is positive 3. And the pronumerals just become x, y. Let's do another one like that with the negatives. So you've got neg 2x. And in brackets, you've got u take v. So you're going to do that times that first, which is negative 2xu. And then this times this, which is positive 2xv. Again, that's as far as we could go. We can't simplify any further because none of them are like terms. So that's my final answer. Okay, even harder, 2 sets of brackets. Let's do this. So we just do the same principle step by step, and then we're going to collect like terms. So this is pretty fun. You're going to do that times that first, which is 3x. And that times that, which is positive 6. Then you're going to do that times that. So it's whatever number is in front of the brackets you multiply it by. So it's going to be negative 4 times 2x, which is negative 8x. Let's see if I could just move this a bit so I have a bit more space. So we did that times that already. And then finally, this times this. Be careful of the negatives. Neg 4 times neg 4 is positive 16. Okay, let's collect like terms. So those two are like terms because they both have x. So you've got 3x take away 8, which is, so it's 3 take 8, which is negative 5x. So don't forget the x. And negative signs, and in this case we've got 6 plus 16, and 6 plus 16 is 22. So it's going to be neg 5x plus 22. Usually we don't like to write negatives as the first term. This is correct, but it's not wrong, but it's better to write 22 take 5x. So the 22 is positive. So we write that first, and then minus 5x. So these are both the same, and you can write either one. You should get full marks. It is just better to write the blue version, the second version. And we always want to do better. Okay, let's do one more like that. So here we go. You're going to do that times that first, which is 2x. That times that, which is positive 6. That times that, which is negative 6x. And then be careful of that negative over here. Neg 3 times neg 1 is positive 3. Collect like terms. So 2 take away 6 is minus 4x. And 6 plus 3 is 9. Or we could write this as 9 take 4x. So either minus 4x plus 9 or 9 take 4x. Beautiful. So that's everything I wanted to cover today. In the next video, we're going to talk about factorising. Thank you for watching, and see you then.